Alright, here's a Brinks brand 60 millimeter padlock. This is a laminated. I think I have to turn the core back. I didn't really prepare for this video too well, but you don't really have to with a lock like this. But I just realized I never had a video of this one, so I figured I'd make one. There we go. I don't think I have a key for this. I may, but I'm not certain. Okay, so just to give you an idea, here's an M1 master lock. Here's the 60 millimeter Brinks, which is like a master clone. Although I believe there's security pins in this. I haven't picked this one in a long time. Alright, so I'm just going to use a little pry bar. I'll try to use a thick one. Too big. So I'll use this thinner one. And I'm going to use this 15 thousandths hook. I'm getting some clicks. That's always good. Alright, I let something drop and it put me into a false set, so I suppose I had something, I don't want to bend this pick, so I guess I had something overset. Every once in a while I gotta check to see if it's open, because it takes a lot of force to open this thing. Alright. There we go. So it does have security pins in there. Okay. Try to do that again. Okay. Kind of scraping away at the warding, but that's okay. There we go. Pin 1, I guess, is a kind of a high cut. Alright, there we go. Oh, I gotta pick it open again now. Put it back on my little display here. Alright, one more time. The old-fashioned way. I always get this crap on me from the vise. Alright, one more time. When I started using the vise, it was awkward. You know, using my hand like this is awkward. There we go. Yeah, pin one's pretty high cut. Alright, so there we go. Brinks 60mm laminated padlock. Very heavy, but very limited security. Happy picking.